megahertz from Fairplay in El Dorado County and on radio station WWS67 at 162.40 megahertz from Wolf Mountain in Nevada County. Weather radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with the routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, simulcast on radio station KEC57 at 162.55 megahertz from Fairplay in El Dorado County and on radio station WWS67 at 162.40 megahertz from Wolf Mountain in Nevada County. Here is an important message for